Hi, this is Jason Roscoe. I'm the owner of Falcon Moving, and in this quick video, I wanted to show you how to sign your moving estimate so you can be ready to go for your upcoming move. And I'd like to thank you for choosing Falcon Moving for your move. So what you're going to do is open up the email either on your computer or on your phone of the estimate that you should have received from us. You could also open the email that says your job is booked and the estimate to sign should be in there as well. So you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the email and click right here where it says view estimate. So you're going to click in there and it's going to open up your customer estimate portal in a new window. Just wait for it to load. And here we are. So this is your estimate. And what you're going to do is click sign estimate in the upper right hand corner. And then the first thing you got to do is click read to electronic records and signatures. And you probably want to glance through the estimate. This just explains terms of our service, limitations to our liability, and just gives you a general understanding of how things should go on moving day, what we expect from you in terms of packing and preparation. So if you're at the top, what you would do is you would click next, and this brings you to the first spot where you could do a signature. So you see right here where it says shipper signature. Shipper means customer in the moving industry. And in this gray, reddish shaded box, click right here and you do your signature. Now it might be a little easier on a phone or a tablet, but works just as well on this computer. So you put in your signature and you click save signature. Now you just completed the first spot and it automatically took you down to the next spot where you can do the same thing. Click on this box, put your signature, click Save Signature. And now it takes you to the third final spot. Again, you click in the box, enter in your signature, and click Save Signature. So you've completed all three of the required signatures. You click Finish, and we will get a notification that you have signed your estimate. And if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 630-492-1640. Thank you, and we'll see you on moving day.